Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can randomize Anki cards. Alright, let's get straight into it. By default, Anki often shows new cards in the order they were added. To shuffle them, what we need to do is head over to the gear icon. So let's say we want to shuffle this one, summarize top electric vehicle trends. Gear icon, click on it and then options. Now we need to find insertion order. As you can see here, new card. So it's usually under the new card section. Now we can select here sequential, all the oldest cards first, or random, like that. And when we done that, we will get this warning here, but we can now save it. Now when the cards are introduced, they will appear in a random order every time. Okay, show the answer. Easy. Now if I close this, it's now different one, as you can see. So it's totally random now. Now, if you feel like your reviews are too predictable, you always see, so you can shuffle the daily queue. So what we can do also is go back to the gear icon and then to the options. And now scroll down to the display order. Look for review sort order. So the last one here, due date, then random. And what you can do also here, you can set it to the random. You see that you have a bunch of options. If you prefer something from here, you can freely choose it, but we will do right now random and also save. And now you have also randomize. Basically, you have ensures that every time you study the mix of cards from different subdecks or topics is completely shuffled. And yeah, this is basically how you can randomize in Anki. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.